Well, we love it. We love that you're here. And for the Beanie members, my first question as an icebreaker is, if you were to enter this room right now, what would be your entrance song? And it could be anything.
Guys, sorry.
What would be your walk-in song?
The song we chose is Let's Kill This Love by Blackpink.
Oh!
You know? Sample stuff.
Sample?
5, 6, 7. We gotta kill this love, yes, and that's true. We gotta kill this love. We gotta let's kill this love.
I'd love to see it. Stacey, actually, a question. Who is your bias? So Blackpink.
Latisa Manobad.
Okay, so we got a couple of questions before we get into some games that we would love to play with the Bloom Secrets today. So, first of all, how has KCON been so far?
It's definitely one for the books. I mean, it was just a dream for us to watch the K-pop groups that we idolize, but now we've been given the chance to share the stage with them.
Can you walk me through when you found out and how you reacted? Do you remember all of those details by any chance?
We were actually in Beanie vs. Baguio. Like, they asked us to do a spill. And then suddenly we were like, wait, what? KCON LA? Like, we have to do a spill for KCON LA. And then that's when we realized, that's when they told us that we were performing in the pre-show. So we were just all shocked. Like, we were speechless. We didn't know that we were going to KCON LA because it's such an honor to be here really in front of you guys. So thank you so much for the support.
The nation's road group of the Philippines here, you know? Did you have any starstruck moments when you were in the backstage listening? By any chance?
Reggie. Oh yes. And then, we met in Hypen. Can't believe it too, but we met them. They're so kind and handsome. We also met NMIX. They're so nice. Cat's Eye. P1 Harmony. They're so nice.
You're so nice. Very welcome. So we do want to get to know about Beanie for who is trying to learn and get into the Beanieverse. What is the meaning behind Beanie?
Our leader usually answered this, but
Oh, Joanna.
oh yeah, don't be sad. She's fun. Oh, she's here. Hi, Ate Jo. Okay. Yes. Beanie came from the Filipino word Bini, which means young lady, and we. What do you call this? We aim to embody the modern Filipina through our music and our performances, while also promoting confidence and empowerment.
We started pushing for our dreams at a very young age, and we want to inspire people that there is no age limit in pursuing your dreams. Yeah, if you want it, then go for it.
So for everyone here, obviously we're at KCON, it's K-pop, and there's P-pop now, there's J-pop, but how would you define P-pop, or what do you think are the differences between P-pop and K-pop?
So P-pop. P-pop is genre of popular music in the Philippines. It warms our hearts that it is gradually being accepted in our country as it is still being introduced in the Philippines. P-pop aims to showcase Filipino culture and creativity in international stage, resonating with both local and global audiences.
We're all saying A. Sheena, do you mind?
It's playable.
What's A? What's A?
I'll define it. Yes. I'll define it. What is the definition? Yes. So to everyone who doesn't know A, it
came from the root word E. You know, it's a thing in the Philippines. It's our thing. We do this, yes, and we just say A. Just randomly, L, A. Thank you.
You're welcome. So we kind of know, I kind of want to know what music did you listen to growing up, and what kind of inspired you to become the P-pop idol you are today?
I grew up listening to Filipino music actually. Miss Sarah G. Filipino pop. And also K-pop. I'm actually a son. I study also EXO. How about you, Colette? So a lot of K-pop, EXO, Tess, and Sanjay. I grew up with them, listening to their music. I feel like that's what that I want to be like them, so I joined. I'm here, Beanie. I joined. Yay! That's so A-able.
So I know you guys have a history of covering K-pop songs as well, and I saw some of your performances. I'm wondering if there's a favorite K-pop song you guys really loved. You okay? Is there a K-pop song that you really love the covering? Like your covers.
Budots daw. I love everything.
I didn't like your one.
We covered Fever. It's
And Wannabe by
More and
more by Twice. Yes or yes, and then Mamamoo. How you like that for Blackpink? Yeah.
Since we are talking about K-pop artists, it could be a K-pop artist or not. For each and every one of you, who is an artist you'd actually really like to collaborate with? You have an English single out now. You have so many songs in your repertoire. Who would it be? Let's go one down the line. Let's go, we go.
I would choose ITZY.
Who's your bias?
My bias is Cheryl, but I love all of them, and I'm waiting for Lydia to come.
It could be any.
Mine would be Sabrina Carpenter. Aside from Blackpink, I would like to collaborate with SZA. Mine would be Twice. I like Ate Gio and
Yeah, for those of you who don't know what Ate means, it means big sister, like one name. So, in Tagalog, it means, generic calling you on yes, I am.
Mine is same with Malloy. Twice. And I'm voting for Mina!
Wala, hindi ko makita si Gwen. Ayun,
Yes,
sige.
it's right.
Twice. Puro twice. Wow.
Nalagyan mo mga pink.
Sino si Ayun, si Gwen.
Yung here naman.
It's hard.
Mine would be Enhypen 7.
Twice. Wow.
Would be Enhypen 7. Would be Enhypen 7. Enhypen Jungwon. BTS
that have happened to you guys over the past 2 years that led you to where you are today? And what would you say is the most memorable moment? You said today. This week.
KCON LA! This is the very first time, oh no, it's our second time to be here in LA, but our first time to perform in front of K-pop fans. And this many people.
We're so proud.
We are P-pop stars! P-pop!
Oh my God! Nakasaya kayo!
So I don't Stop. No, no. So I was saying, you guys are about to embark on your tour, right? So what's one thing you have to bring on tour? Like, how do you prepare yourselves then?
I would probably bring my medyo sabaw. Okay, I will bring my makeup. Yeah.
Passport.
Yeah, I will say passport. I'm going to play passport.
That is true. Anyways.
My in-ear monitor.
My Sony Angels.
Pwede, in-ear monitor, the essential, yes. My camera!
My Samsung phone.
Oh! Sponsor! Sponsor!
Oh, and my MAC powder and C15. That's my shade.
They promote yarn.
So if there's anywhere else that you would like to travel to when you embark on this tour, where would you like to go?
Bay Area.
Washington. Let's say the whole United States or the major cities. Maybe let's manifest an arena tour. Maybe. Guys, we could do the moon. The sky is your limit, you know. So I believe in BE. I believe in Filipino talent. That's why we're So is there I just want to know, is there a pre-show ritual that you guys do?
Pray. And pray to retouch and warm-ups. Vocalize, and we need to clap. Give each other a high five. Solid high five.
If there's a song you could recommend to everyone here that's part of your discography, what song would it be?
Salamin! Salamin! Carrera!
Aside from all that is
Cherry.
Cherry on Top, you should listen to Carrera.
Woo!
Oh, you explained it.
Getting more. Okay, so Carrera is actually translation to English. It means race, but the meaning of the song is life is not a race, and it talks about how you should just go at your own pace, basically, because I feel like a lot of people are pressured to reach a certain standard at a certain time limit or at a certain age. So I feel like a lot, or everyone would relate to it because it's just common that you're pressuring yourself just to be something at a certain time. But really, go do your own thing, go with the flow, whatever you want, as long as you're not hurting anyone.
That's something I actually, and you already mentioned Cherry on Top, and you performed that
Paano
last
mag-zoom out? Ano
night.
ba yan?
I kind of want to know what the meaning behind it is. So what cherry on top, babe?
Kung sino mag-explain?
In your words.
Me, for me, cherry on top, it's like you're being confident in yourself. You know, the cherry on cake, it's on top because you're on top. Whatever.
Wow! Oh my God! Ay, sorry.
The coconut nut is...
The coconut.
What's the meaning?
It's not a nut.
If you eat too much, you get
Get it. To get it.
So, you did mention cherry on top. I kind of want to hear a snippet.
Woo! Ayun, again. I-record mo yun.
Do you guys want to hear a snippet?
Yes!
Do you guys want to hear an acapella snippet of it?
Yes!
So why don't we listen to it? Are you ready?
Hello guys, sorry.
Yes, let's get the tune first. They gotta be...
Sorry, ang dami phones.
They gotta get their sound.
May nagpapian.
Okay, 5, 6, 7.
Acapella. Yay! Galing.
The cherry on top of things. What is a fun fact about yourself that no one knows?
Fun fact na.
Oh my god.
I feel like me and Ate Malor, we like watching every time we eat. Yeah. Watching something like when we were roommates, our iPads would flash the sounds. Yes. Ano ikaw?
Oh, and you too.
She is anger.
From inside out?
Yeah, they grow up in anger all the
No, I
time.
have anger issues too. I think that people get along. I'm short-tempered too. So don't worry.
Say.
Oh, what we said. 6. I may be very noisy when I'm with Beanie, but in reality, I'm very introverted. Yeah. Yes, I am! You think so?
How about you? Me? You think for me? I collect Sony Angels, Hirono, and Mokusan, and other cute stuff.
How many do you have?
I have like 30 plus. Sony Angels, this is yeah. I'm here. You? When she speaks, like loud, and then to like yeah, right. Like when I go to the mall, like I. So when you listen to her, like I can magnet everyone. Well, like that's the fun part. Another fun fact. I don't know if it's fun though, but I think nobody knows. It's a fact. I have 5 stitches. She has a Stitch sister now. Stitch 4. Yeah. I got it.
I'm so proud of her stitches.
Stitches.
What's that for you? How for you, Bebe? Bebe, even though like we're in a what they call this, like 9 hours land travel like that. She doesn't listen to music. She can survive without music. Can you? No. Right? Respect. Yeah, respect. Oh, you think for me?
I should have said it sooner, so I should have thought about it.
Oh my gosh, ang cute ni Sheena.
Oh, guys, she has the fluffiest cheeks.
So, what are, now that you're in
Pwede kami official photographer.
Ang ganda, girl. Picture ka pa, ha?
Tingnan mo ito, mga ano niya.
Ay, sorry.
Tag mo
What are
kami.
your dreams, aspirations, and inspirations?
Guys, sino gusto niyo makita? Isa-isa. Ang hina ng boses nila. Bakit ang hina?
Yeah, it's a group or
Ayan na. Si Aya na.
We would want to perform more in international, not just in the Philippines, but syempre in the Philippines too. We hope that we get to win more awards, we get to meet more people, hopefully Kina Arena, the future, Coachella, that's also we have a lot of goals.
Now, we do have a special game to play with you members. Okay, is our producer on the side ready to play? Are you ready to play the game with the music? Yeah? Okay, so we're going to play a 3-second song. So 3-second guess game. Yeah, guess that song. We're gonna play 6 songs. And these are songs that are
Guys, nangangalay na ako, guys.
and P-pop songs, but you guys know them, all right? Ready? All right. So the first song. Raise your hand first, by the way, if you know it. Ready? Go. This is cute.
Ayaw mo ba, May?
Guys, sponsor niyo ako ng tripod. Joke lang.
It's Nike by time. Mika forever. It's
Okay.
twice.
We'll go to the second song.
Is that right?
TT, that's right. Second song. Ready? Cue.
Fire by BTS.
Third song. Are you guys ready? Cue.
I'm just gonna sing it. Hit you with that do do do.
We'll take it.
Having fun. Am I right?
Right. Especially since she was saying. So, fourth song. Are you ready? Cue.
That's my solo bro. Let's thank you next.
Correct. Okay. Next song. Yeah, Mika. So, next song. Cue.
Sorry. Justin.
It's Sorry by Justin Bieber.
Okay. Down to our second to last, so maybe we'll see. We have time. Next song. Cue.
Taylor Swift.
everyone. So.
Cherry on top by Beanie!
Of course, you have to stream that on all streaming platforms. Yes, you saw the performance in clips. So yes, you are 100% correct. Yes, owned it, girls. Now, since you guys played the game, we're gonna have the Blooms in here play the game.
Woo! Oy, the girl, sa'yo ka na. Salamin.
We have some cherries here.
Oh, cherries? Oh.
Some cherries. Okay. Some cherries that we want to give away from each member.
Oh, I want one.
Yes. We're gonna do a quiz.
Oh, shit.
Shit.
I'm gonna ask
Quiz 1 plus 1.
a question, and then the Beanie members will point someone out. Okay.
Guys, help nyo me. Joke.
Okay.
Para makakuha tayong cherry.
Remember, please be safe. Be kind to everyone around you. Safety is key here. But let's just have some fun.
Sino? Ay, joke. Sorry. Teka lang, guys. Wait. Lalabas.
For the safety of our artists and people here. Okay. Is everyone ready?
Ayan, si Kuya. Alis muna daw siya. Hindi siya magpe-play.
Who is the youngest and the oldest
Sino?
member? of
Wala.
the Beanie?
Si Malo yung oldest.
Hindi, si Aya yung oldest
Yeah,
ata.
we'll take from each member to
I choose her.
Sino si her?
Aww.
What's the answer?
If you're wrong, oh my gosh. Who's the youngest po?
Hindi niya po.
It's me. Yes, the oldest is Ate Aya. She's right. She's right.
Oh, gusto ko rin ng cherry.
Congratulations.
Paano ko manalo?
Okay, question 2. Who is the main
Oh,
dancer?
Sinong main dancer, guys? Sinong main dancer?
Sino may dancer?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Sino?
Sino?
Sino nga?
Sino? Uy, sagutin nyo. Sino?
Taas ka lang.
Okay.
Yes, you. Nagtingin na sila po, the baby girl.
Guys, bilisan nyo
Guys,
isa pa.
tulungan nyo naman kami para manalo kami nung Beanie na merch, please.
Okay, si Sheena ka. Okay.
Give the cherry.
Wala yung, nasa kabila yung pinili nila, guys eh.
Ano?
Gusto ko rin. Wow! Sino yun? Ay, may pahag.
May pahag. Ako din.
Ay, may pa-picture. Ang cute. Ay, shock.
Kailangan ako.
Okay, sige guys. Sumagot lang kayo
Alright,
bigla.
we're going to go with the third question. Who is the main vocalist?
Sino?
Si Colette, ba ko alam eh. O, nakataas na ako.
All of them, besides all.
Vocalist.
At the back!
Anyone from this side?
Na tayo.
Yes.
Okay, what is your answer?
Maloy. Yes!
But there's another
Maloy.
one. Who is the second one?
She got it right. Yes.
If you don't mind standing.
Nandun sa kabila, guys.
Yes.
We're going
Now come and get your cherries.
Yes. Safety first for our audience.
Ang ganda ni Aya!
Naiingit naman ako. Baby,
Ang
ba?
ganda ni
Next question,
Aya!
guys.
Alright, next question.
Ako na.
Ay, gali, taas mo na yung kamay mo.
What song is Beanie's pre-debut track?
Siguro, taas mo lang kamay mo. Go.
I choose
Taas mo lang kamay mo.
her. The one with cliche top. Yeah.
The white one. Yeah. Oh, I love the outfit.
Yeah, wow. Ay, si ate nanalo. Guys, sa malayo yung pinipili nila. Ay.
Sino? Ano yung nagbigay? Ayoko na. Guys, kailangan manalo ng isa.
Guys, malayo nga si Kenzel eh.
We're gonna
Ayun, no.
ask some bias questions. So if you were listening earlier, this is like a perfect time.
Okay, bias question daw.
Who is Sheena's bias?
Twice na.
Enhypen, di ba?
Twice yan.
Sino yung bias niya sa Enhypen daw? Guys, sino? Ay, ito. Jungwon.
Ha?
Jungwon?
The pink, the one wearing pink with a glove. Yes, you are the chosen one.
Yeah!
Jungwon.
Jungwon.
Yes.
Gusto ko si Sheena. Ayan, si Stacy.
Alright. Now, next question is who is Maloy's twice bias?
Sino twice ba siya?
Hindi ko alam. Sinong mali twice niya? Ano daw? Taas mo ng kamay mo. Taas mo ng kamay mo.
Stop.
Hindi eh. Nakataas.
Ayusin mo.
Dalawa daw eh.
Dalawa, isa pa.
Dalawa.
Sino pa? Sino pa?
Isa. Ayun.
Nayon. Sana. Half. Swerte ni Kuya. Si Colin.
May chance ka na.
Ito, nagtataas guys. Pero... Ay, siya pala.
Ano, Cherry? Monica? Alright.
Wala, di pa nagbibigay si Sheena. Pati si Mika.
Debut.
2017, di ba?
Taas mo, may mo. Dali, taas mo, may mo. Oh. Dali, taas mo, may mo. Oh. Dali, taas mo, may mo. Oh. Kailan nag-debut yung...
2019.
Guys, kailan nag-debut?
Your official debut.
Guys, kailan sila nag-debut?
Even I don't know yet.
2010.
Or the year.
Sa kabilang side siya nakatingin.
What day?
If everyone can give her a chance.
June
11, 2020.
11, 2021. Are you sure? Can we clarify?
No, the year works. You got the month.
It's correct. Did it?
Guys, nasa kabila eh.
Congratulations.
Ayan si Mika na.
So now I actually want to ask the booms here too. I do want to open the floor to any questions you have for me. So,
Guys, ano gusto yung
in
itanong?
orderly conduct, if you'd like to ask them a question,
Ano
we'll
gusto yung
probably have
tanongin?
time for 3 to 5, depending. Raise your hand and I'll probably run to you and yeah, ask your question. So,
Ano na guys?
who would like to ask a question?
Ano gusto yung tanong?
Yes, you're in the front.
Hindi ko-
I'll
hindi ko-
come to you now. Do my
Ito nga,
card.
inatanong ko. Mag-type kayo ng tanong nyo guys.
You're so kind. Hi, what would you like to...
Kamusta na daw si Joanna? Tanungin mo kamusta na si Joanna. Wala siya dyan.
going international, especially this year. And I feel like at the start it was very abrupt because the song Patropica just suddenly boomed in the Philippines and on TikTok. So I think we just really go by the day because we always continue to do our best, and we just really strive for excellence, and we don't want to change any of our values, but we just want to keep learning more and more. So I guess that's our group's value, yeah.
Hi, I'm Olive, and we are currently trainees about to do a survival show. Is there any tips that you would help us?
Tips daw.
Looking back when I was a trainee, I guess I would
It's
always
alien.
just go back to the roots, aka my what's and whys. And I apply that whenever I join something or in those times when I feel lost. Like, why am I here? What are the reasons why I'm here? Why I still continue? And the answer for all of that is always for me, my family, and for Him, for the Lord. And yes, in times where I feel like
Tips daw para sa trainee.
I feel like not enough, but especially when I have a support system, aka my family, that keep me going, and then prayers that it really helped me a lot. And then I also do some things or have outlets wherein I can express myself. That's why I have a lot of things like hobbies. Yes, and yeah, that's what really helps me. I hope that helps you. Yeah. Good luck.
Ito mo. Hindi, ayaw nila eh. Okay, yaman na.
Hi, I'm Grace. Sorry. Hi, I'm Grace.
I-mention mo sa kanila nakalive ka. Pabili.
Sige.
I will change their hair colors all the time. I know you guys have had the same hair colors for a while. We just had red hair for a while. So I was wondering what hairstyles or what hair colors you guys want to try in the future.
One by one. I want to try to learn with the food. Deep blue. Maybe ashtray or platinum blonde. Blonde, yes, platinum blonde.
Anong hair color daw gusto nila
I
i-dye?
want to try long hair because I've been in short hair for like 5 years already. And for my hair color, I think yeah, let's forget about that. Thank you.
All right, I'm coming down this row.
Ano nga lang sa kabila na siya.
Raise your hand.
Ano na siya sa kabila?
Let's get a guy. Let's get a guy. You're very, very enthusiastic. Would you like to come to the stage? I don't know if I'm going to fit there. So, if you don't mind, I apologize. Name and question.
Hello, my name is Calvin, and my question for you is, so some of us guys and people who aren't like really fan of like girlish songs didn't actually start getting hooked into your music until we saw your Beanie Core or the Kanal Humor videos. So I was just wondering if you all have any plans to do more again soon in the future? Because I'm really looking forward to that.
Like Beanie Core videos.
Like, just doing like your usual selves.
Oh, we're very active in social media. We post everything, like everything. We don't filter anything. I think that's why people love us. And I know a lot of groups are like requesting for us to have like reality show, but you know, do we have time? No, we don't. But maybe in the future. Yeah, in the future we would love, because I'm also a very big K-pop fan. You know, like the 17. The goals. So I want to have something like that for us students.
And so
Yes.
we'll be releasing our documentary, so very authentic side of BeanieBand.
I think that's the secret of Beanie, is that you guys are always, what you see is what you get. And that's
Yeah.
the secret of your personalities and
The
how you
canal is
shine.
really canal.
What is Kanali?
Canal is like
The way they stop yung
In the Philippines, in English, there's canal humor is like the Filipino, like Beanie, like we always laugh, have fun, and we don't really mind what we say, what we think. And in the Philippines, there's this thing called aircon humor, like the konyo guys, konyo girls. Sino konyo dito?
Who is Konyo? Konyo is like a mix of Taglish for those who don't know.
Did you know when you go to the mall talaga, right?
It's really mixing Tagalog and English. Yeah, alright. Let's go to this side. Yeah, oh, nice top. Okay, girl.
Hi, I'm Kelly. I love you guys. I'm a big Blue superstar. So I just want to ask, how do you handle the pressure of being a woman in your early 20s and being the nation's girl group at the same time? Because I think you guys handle it so gracefully and well, so we want to know. Love you, baby.
Aya, the woman that you are, you answer
Yes, it is indeed hard. I think it's hard for not just being a woman, being a man, whenever you are in the spectrum. But I think like for us girls, since we all share similar experiences together and we go through these things together, it's hard at times because there's so many things that people say that you should be this, A, B, C, or D, or you should be that. But I guess what makes us us and what we stick to is that we just be ourselves. We be the happy, sad, angry version, whatever version that may be, because everything is valid. Whatever emotion you have, they're there for a reason. It's like the movie Inside Out. They're there for a reason, and even if so many people have a lot of things to say to you, but I think in the end, what matters is you and your truth, what you value the most, in which I think that's what you should focus, the things that you value, and your values as a person. Yeah.
Alright, we can get like one or two. Let's go to this side. Let's go to this side. Let's go. What's your name and what's your question?
Hi, I'm Lucia, and me and my sister are wondering, what's your guys' go-to karaoke song?
Yes, down the line. I'm very curious because I was watching this. Yes.
Bang Bang!
We might as well sample it since you're here.
Yun nga, baka di ko pa lang yung
Every birthday, every occasion, please sing this.
I'll go to you, sir.
Dito ba?
Yeah, I just gotta do some cardio here. All right, move from this side. No one in the middle. No one. Okay, hi, what's your name?
Yeah, I'm Sandy. Hi, kamusta? So I have a question. Do you have any plans of having a sub-unit in the future? Or it's like 8 or none?
Maybe. Of course, for now. Secret.
Oh.
We shall see. Maybe on the Grand Prix.
Oh.
But right now, we're not really sure.
Yes po, nasa LA po sila.
Who do you? Now that's a good question. Well, who would you pair up with in the group to do your units? It could be a triad or a duo. Who would it be? As I find the next question. Krista has a question.
Joanna. Because I love Joanna and I miss her so much.
Oh, ang ganda ni Stacy.
Josie. Sila yung kaya ba? Kaya.
Wag na?
Wala, speechless na sila guys.
Antok na yung mga yun. 5:30 daw.
We have a question here.
Nasa kalikod.
If you would like to stand.
Try natin magtanong.
Tingnan mo kailan yung viewers niya.
Oh my gosh.
Iyan ko lang.
Again, I'm super proud to see you guys here. We listen to you in the car, and I have my cousins over there, 2 boy cousins who also listen to you, and my uncle. So now, my question is, I'm here with a couple of producers. They produced for BTS and Taemin, and if they wanted to work with you, how would that work?
Actually, our director is just so really Direct Lauren.
Uy, si Dirk. Oh, yan lang pala.
They're next to each other. Natin you. Siya na daw yung sasagot.
But we get honor for the girls who really work.
Hi, I'm pala si Dave Ivan. I've been a pre-debut stan since Star Hunt Days. And the reason that, and I actually learned yes because of your performance during the big night. So my question is, if you were to switch with someone, one of the members, who would it be and why?
Oh my god, wait, I love this.
Switch lives already.
Wala,
Wait,
magkakaroon.
wait, me first, please. Wait, me first, please.
Sino yun?
I wanna switch bodies and brains with Sheena because she just amazes me, you know.
Yeah.
How she thinks, how she acts. It's so.
Thank you, Mix.
Sino daw yung gusto nilang mag-switch ng body?
Kung magpapalit sila ng katawan, sino?
Maybe Ala. Because I love her energy. Even though we have a busy schedule this day, the next day she still has a lot of energy. She go jog, hike, go to the mountains, go to anywhere. Third mountain. I wanna be Ate Paloy because I wanna be small like her someday. With that being said, I want to switch with you because I want to be pop. And I want to try.
Merong producer daw dito na like nag-work with BTS and stuff. So
Yata isang group.
tinatanong if willing ba daw sila mag-work with
I want
International producers. Iba hangin sa ede.
No, I want to be like Joanna.
Wait, dyan lang kayo guys.
I don't want to switch with anyone because they might get three.
I want to switch with Stacy because she's a very positive person. I think I need that in my life.
Me too, I want to switch with Ate Jo because she's resting now. I'm just kidding. Yeah, Philippines right now. Like, when will you go back? No. Yeah, Ate Jo, because I'm obsessed with her. So why not be her? Yes, thank you. You go.
Hard question. I actually want to switch with you. I want to be a great dancer as you.
Aww.
Yeah,
Switch places?
no, I actually would want us to place Regina. You persevered so much in your life, and you
So wala talaga si Joanne.
all of you deserve
Hindi talaga siya sumunod.
what's coming to you now. And you know, I
Baka may
tell
sakit
her
na.
this, there's not that much representation in this world, especially in the States, and you guys are probably making it. And I really am so happy that you guys are here. This is my dream, this is my goal, and it's a full circle moment for me to see fellow Filipinos here doing it. I only wish the best for you guys. And I cannot wait for what the world will offer to you. With that being said, we're about to conclude our program class. We're gonna give you a chance to do a photo time like we do like in K-pop. So girls, if you guys want to stand in poses wherever you want, we'll do like a 1-minute photo session, and then we will take the Samsung Galaxy and take a selfie. So girls, if you guys want to stand up, pose however you want, have your fans take a photo, do photo time for you.
Okay guys, picturean nyo na sila. Tapos na po.
It's like K-pop fan signings. How you just pose however you guys want. I think we're just standing behind it anyway. Yes, like K-pop fan signings. All right, photo time. Let's go. Yes. Should I just count down 3, 2, 1, and then pose? 3, 2, 1, pose. Are you guys in position? Right. 3, 2, 1, pose. And another pose, if you'd like. Yes. I'm hearing wacky. LA? Oh. One more pose with the A. Yeah. Can I actually get this? And then I know I'll give you the sound for the seat to take a selfie.
Bilangin mo nga po.
You guys will just come to
iPhone 15 Nag-Samsung pa lang.
Hey guys, follow nyo po ako. Tapos magpo-post pa ako ng pictures nila rin.
Babalik na ako. Kaya sa
technical difficulty. Okay, you got it? Yes. Everyone, a little bit. Yes, you got it. so however you guys want to pose, you're here. All right. Yes. Thank you so much. And we'll, as we get back to our seats, we'll have our big dance.
Ayun, okay.
Oh, you can actually pass it to me. But, oh, don't pay this. No, it's $50 from your blooms. As we wrap up, are there any things you'd like to say to the blooms here?
I love you! Alpita! We'll come back. Don't worry, we'll come back. Direct, Lauren. Yes, he said yes, okay? And we just want to say we really appreciate you guys so much. We did not expect there to be this much people, and we're so thankful. So thank you so much, and we'll continue to...
Guys, hindi ko po alam paano mag-upload ng live.
Thank you so much.
But I will look it up.
With that being said, we want to say...
Salamat sa ayuda.
I love you, Sheena.
Okay. Oh, okay. It's because we are running out of time. This is the end of our program, so on behalf of everyone at KCON, I just want to say thank you to you guys for being here. Thank you to the Blooms for taking time out of their day to get to...
I love you, Sheena! Love you, Manay!
Let's count out today. Everyone, please stay safe, stay hydrated, and please make sure you eat. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes. So, and last one final goodbye as you exit the stage. Thank you. She got a photograph.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you for the warm welcome.
Picture tayo. Selfie with them. I love you, Sheena! Okay, tapos na po, guys. I will post pictures po soon. This is my KCON haul. Thank you! Okay po, bye na. Oh, mag-hi ka sa kanila. Thank you po!
Thank you po for watching.
Paano? Mag-KCON na po ako. Bye po! Paano mag-off? Kailan daw po wala po. Nasa ospital pa po si ano, ha? Ayun? Eh, dito daw po yung BTS producers.
Nagpa-produce daw sila ng kanta.
Sila daw po
Ayun
yun.
sila, Bill. Parang ang dami talaga nila. Mukha silang legit, B.
Hindi ko, okay, i-search ko po kung paano ha?
Do we just say bye? Thank you. Thank you for... I love you. What do I... Thank you for producing. Thank you.
Gusto mo ba mag-thank you dun sa producer ng BTS? Okay po, tapos na po. Bye po.